Somewhere deep in the tropical forest, a bird has found a way to protect its family. No other creature on Earth has ever copied this unique method.
The great hornbill, 120 centimeters tall, is a magnificent bird. Its wingspan is wider than a grown man's arms.
Layer by layer, from inside, she seals every gap. Sealed within the muddy confines of the nest, the female relies entirely on her mate for sustenance.
If the male dies during incubation, the female and eggs perish.
She cannot escape in time.
Deep within the hollow of an ancient tree, the female great hornbill begins her long wait, meticulously guarding her clutch.
Every other bird on Earth molts one feather at a time. She loses every single one simultaneously. She is the only bird that does this.
Here we see the juvenile hornbill, still developing its flight feathers, stretching its wings for the first time outside the safety of the hollow.
These young hornbills are developing their social bonds through gentle pecking, a vital interaction as they grow within the safety of the nest.
Here we see the adult male delivering a ripe yellow fruit to the hungry juvenile, waiting eagerly at the entrance of the nest.
After months of confinement, the female great hornbill breaks through the barricade, finally emerging into the sunlight.
This young great hornbill is finally ready to leave the safety of the nest, pushing through the barrier to face the bright forest outside. The moment of emergence. Sealed by its parents, the young hornbill must now peck its way into the light and the humid air of the rainforest.
The adult male great hornbill carefully passes the food to the chick. This intricate feeding ritual is a vital exchange in the canopy. The adult ensures the young one receives the choicest fruit.
The great hornbill surveys its dense rainforest home, a crucial part of the ecosystem.
Known for its massive casque atop the beak, the great hornbill surveys its territory in the dense, vibrant canopy.
The magnificent great hornbill surveys its territory before launching into the misty rainforest canopy.